Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Monese debit card step by step clearly. First, make sure your Monese debit card has arrived and that the envelope is sealed and not damaged. Open the Monese app on your phone and confirm you can log into your account successfully. If you do not have the app yet, install Monese from the App Store or Google Play and sign in. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap the Card section in the Monese app to see your card options. Select your Monese debit card from the list if you have more than one card. Look for an option that says Activate Card, Activate, or Card Activation inside the card menu. If the app asks for a card number, type the long number printed on the front of the card carefully. If the app asks for the expiry date, enter the month and year exactly as shown on your card. If the app asks for the CVV, enter the 3-digit security code on the back of the card. Double-check all digits before you continue to avoid activation errors. Tap Confirm or Activate to submit your activation request in the app. If you see a message asking you to verify your identity, follow the on-screen prompts to complete it. If the app requests a security check, enter your Monese passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID. Wait a few seconds while the app processes the activation. When you see a success message, your card is activated and ready to use. Now set up your card PIN if the app offers a Create PIN or View PIN option. If you can view the PIN, memorize it and never share it with anyone. If you need to change the PIN later, use the Change PIN feature in the app if available. To test the card, try a small chip-in PIN purchase in a store, because this often enables contactless. Insert the card into the terminal and enter your PIN to complete the first payment. After the first chip-in PIN payment, Tap to Pay contactless should start working for most merchants. For online shopping, use the card details from the app or the card, and confirm any verification prompts. If your card does not activate, check for app updates and restart the app and your phone. Make sure your account has no restrictions and that you have completed any required verification steps. If activation still fails, open in-app support and contact Monese with your card and account details ready. Keep your card settings updated by enabling or disabling contactless, online, or ATM usage in the app as needed. Store your cards safely and monitor transactions in the app to spot any unusual activity quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.